Hello guys, today we bake gluten-free bread. For this recipe we need 100 gram of glutinous rice flour, 200 gram of corn flour, 100 ml of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, the one of baking soda, the one that you use usually for the cake, 100 gram of yogurt and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. In this case I use the oil from my aubergine or eggplants in oil. You have saw already the video. Now we give the shape to our loaf. I will put some sesame seeds and we bake in the oven preheated at 200 Celsius degree for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes we put down the temperature at 180 Celsius degree and we will bake for 15-20 minutes. After 5 minutes at 200 Celsius degree plus 40 minutes at 180 Celsius degree, our bread is baked. Now it's too hot, so I will wait at least 20-30 minutes. After I will cut it and I will make a bruschetta with the fresh tomato and the oil, again from the sun-dried tomatoes or from the eggplants in oil. See you later. Very good. Outside crunchy, inside soft. Maybe if you want you can cook 5-10 minutes more. But remember that it's a bread without gluten, so gluten-free. So it's already a spectacular bread. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave a like, to watch all the other videos, to share this video with your friends. If you try to make this bread, let us know in the comments. And also if you have some suggestion, please help all our friends that cannot eat gluten. Remember to comment. Bye bye.